Welcome to my channel. My name is Norma with momisdesigns. In this channel, you're going to be learning how to make different DIYs that you can not only use them for your family and your friends, but you can also sell them. Let's not wait any longer and let's get to work. In this video, we are going to continue working with the Ikonart stencils, and I made this stencil last night. This is for the address of my house. And what I did, I went to the Dollar Tree and I bought this piece of wood. I think this is like a 10-12 inches, and I did it brown on the back side. And now I'm going to do the design on this side. For this video, I'm going to be doing two different things to show you. I'm going to be using the torch paste, and I'm going to put the links in the description box, just so you know, if you buy this or any of the stencils with Ikonart, you get a 15% off. And I'm going to go ahead and write down the code for that. You're going to need the torch paste, you're going to need your piece of wood, you're going to need your template, and I'm going to be using red acrylic paint and blue acrylic paint. These are for the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to be using hot air gun. It's up to you to choose how you want to finish your design. You can either use the crystal acrylic coating, or you can use resin. And again, everything is going to be in the description box. I'm not going to do the last part because you're going to decide what to do, and that way I won't make the video too big. But here it is. I decided to use the purple, which is for clothing, because I wanted to really attach nicely to my piece of wood. So we're using the purple. So now basically I'm going to separate the stencil from the backing. When you make a stencil, make sure that you cut a corner or write the word back, so that when you put them back together, they go in the right place. So I'm going to go ahead and put my design when I need it, and I may decide that I want to cut it. I don't know yet. So I think I want to go a little higher. So I think that's good enough. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be adding the paste, the torch paste, on the number and the street name. So we're just going to go ahead and apply the paste all on one side. Like that. And then you're going to get your squeegee or any kind that you may like. I'm really enjoying this one. So you're just pretty much going to bring it all the way across. Okay, so now we're going to pick up any residue. Just go softly on top of it. Okay, so now I am going to peel it off, and we start from the top to the bottom. So we're just going to go ahead and do this thing. You see how it already has the paste ready for us. So what I'm going to do at this point, I decided that I am going to cut it. Okay, so now I'm going to put my my heat gun at number 2. It has 2 speeds, 1 and 2. So I'm going to put it at number 2. And I'm going to go ahead and go in over my the number and the address. I'm leaving it darker than the other one because it is going to go on the wall, and I want people to be able to see it from the street. I really like, I brought it closer, and I really like the shadow that it created in the back. So I'm going to need to put it down to where it's flat again and let it cool down. So let's go ahead and do that, and I'll see you back. Okay, so here we go. We're going to go ahead and do the next part. So here's where I want to put my stencil. I want to cover as much as I can, just like that. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the blue right here, and I'm going to use the red right here. So let's go ahead and start with the red. Let's go ahead and put it in. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and put it all on the side right here. And just go down to the end. And I'm going to wipe my, I usually put it back, but right now, I think because it's a color from the Dollar Tree, I don't mind it. So here we go. We go all the way to the end. Just like that. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift a little just to make sure that I got it everywhere, so it's good. It's everywhere. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the red on this side. And I'm going to apply a streak here, and then another one right here, and hopefully that will be good enough. So you're doing two different effects with one design. So we're just going to go ahead and go down. Make sure that it doesn't go to the outside of the wood. Just bring it down all the way. I think it's going to come out really pretty. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and go all the way to the end. That. And then I'm going to worry about this little part over here on this side. So I think I'm just going to go this way to get it here. Just like that, and I get all the extra residue. Pick it up. Because I'm going to do something else with it that I just decided that I think I want to do that. So let's see here. I'm going to lift it from the top the same way, just like that. And look at how beautiful that is. Oh my God. So now what I think I want to do, I'm just going to go ahead and go on this side, and I'm going to put, so I'm going to go here, and I'm going to put some more red, just like right there, and right here, and I'm going to do the same thing. So we're just going to go down. And at the end of the video, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put the breakdown. If you guys want to sell them, how much you can sell them for, and how much is your profit. So we're gonna go ahead and lift it. Here's the moment of truth. There you go. I'm not going to do the rest of it because it's going to be up to you whether you want to use this here or the resin. I think I'm going to use the resin, so that's going to take a lot longer. So this is all for me, guys. I hope you got something from this video. Stay tuned because I'm going to be making more experiments with the stencils. But for now, may the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.